Hey meal preppers, Paul coming at you here with lunch, or this could be dinner. We made pork carnitas, so we just got a batch of pork carnitas and I got a batch of cilantro lime rice right here. Our pork carnitas are made in the Instapot, which I'm very intimidated by, but in the app this week, I do break down the steps, so hopefully if you're intimidated, I make that a little easier for you. And then we paired it with some cilantro lime rice, put the zest in there with the rice as you're cooking it, and then add the cilantro and then the lime at the end. We're gonna make tacos today. Obviously, you can make anything you like with this. If you want to make some bowls, just have it by itself, or if you want to put this on top of salad. But the main thing is we have this ready. So I work from home. I can make these anytime I like, obviously. But the great thing is you can come home from work and make these up for dinner. So the food's already ready. You just gotta create your own little taco here, and then just put it right in the microwave. So what do I got here? I got some cheese here. I'm gonna put some cheese on here. I got some cherry tomatoes, and I'm gonna chop those up with some cherry tomatoes. And my dogs are very interested in what I'm doing. Maybe I'll give them a little bit. I know my portion size is pretty well. I usually get, I do about half a cup of rice. My rice came out a little sticky, but there you go, half a cup there, boop, another half a cup here, bam. And I'm gonna go ahead and chop some tomatoes up. You don't need to see that, but all right guys, great way, another way to meal prep is just having a batch of meat, a batch of starch here. You can also have a batch of veggies, just steam some veggies there. That way it's all ready, you just come home, you whip it together, and you're not worried about starting from scratch with a meal. All right guys, take care, have an awesome week.